What is the meaning of life? This is a question that many people ask themselves, but the vast majority cannot find an answer. Life and its meaning will depend on your individual search, what you have done, are doing, and will do. A great genre of knowledge and discoveries. We want to know why we are here. You, me, and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, born in 1646 in Leipzig, Germany. He was a mathematician and philosopher of the modern era. But why I'm talking about Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz? Well, he asked himself the same question and sought answers in different areas of knowledge. For him, everything from a supernova in a distant galaxy to the flight of a butterfly is a beautiful concert of the universe. A butterfly, a beautiful butterfly. That is what we are going to see, the flight of the butterfly. Trying to find his answers, Leibniz created formulas for derivatives and integrals, remembering that he did this independently of Isaac Newton. But what is a derivative? The derivative is a fundamental concept in calculus that represents the rate of change of a function with respect to one of its variables. Simply put, it shows how one quantity changes as another one changes. For example, the derivative of position with respect to time is velocity. Geometrically, the derivative at a point on a curve is the slope of the tangent line of the point. And what are integrals? The integral is a fundamental concept in calculus that represents the cumulative sum of infinitely small parts, used to calculate errors, volume, displacement, and other quantities. Simply put, the integral measures how much something has accumulated. There are two main types: the definitive integral, which calculates the area under a curve between 2 points, and the indefinitive integral, which represents a family of infinite derivatives functions. Now I'm going to talk about butterflies, more specifically the monarch butterflies that migrate to Mexico in the winter. These butterflies fly about 4,000 km to their destination. It is an instinct, a survival instinct. But the thing is, a monarch butterfly lives for 2 to 6 weeks, and this migration takes several weeks. Generations and generations die so that the last one can be consecrated with the glory of life. Whether it is a necessary sacrifice or not is indisputable. It is natural in the form of poetry. It is beautiful but intriguing to see the cycle, but the migration cycle in search of a prosperous life of a monarch butterfly. In order to reach Mexico, monarch butterflies need to take breaks, usually in trees, to save energy and generate heat, especially when the cold increases. During the flight, a phenomenon called connected hibernation occurs, where they practically hibernate but continue flying. So let's calculate what the energy expenditure in calories of a butterfly is over time using derivatives. For this, we will use this situation where she needs to fly for 8 hours until she rests. The function Hurley spinning rate, power Rayleigh. To apply the power Rayleigh, we must take the exponent and multiply the function by the exponent and finally subtract 1 from it. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Derivative of the derivative, how the rate of effort changes over time. Following Step 2, energy expenditure. For the examples, we will use T equal to E equal instant spent, E equal acceleration of effort, indefinite integral. Now we are going to analyze the caloric absorption of nectar made by this same butterfly. We are going to do this analysis through to indefinite integral. The indefinite integral will be we use substitution. Let's use an example. The energy absorbed by a monitor butterfly in 3 hours. Definite integral. Now, using the definite integral, we use an example, an 8 hours flight of a butterfly to calculate its energy expedient. Integration. String t equal 8, we have conclusions. This is a sample of the effort of a monarch butterfly throughout its life and its journey in search life, and we its search in its meaning. Thank you for your attention and of the opportunity, and long life.